Ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize the legal field? Imagine a system that doesn't just generate answers, but comprehends the intricate web of laws, precedents, and logical reasoning required to resolve complex cases. This new research achieves exactly that, leveraging two groundbreaking techniques to create a legal AI that thinks like a human expert. Let's dive into how it works. At its core, this framework tackles a fundamental challenge. Traditional AI models struggle with legal reasoning because they lack the ability to grasp abstract concepts or trace multi-step logical connections. Think of a legal case as a complex puzzle. Each piece represents a statute, precedent, or legal principle. The system we're exploring doesn't just assemble pieces, it understands how they interlock. Here's the breakthrough. Researchers combined prompt engineering, a method of structuring queries to guide AI behavior, with multidimensional knowledge graphs, a sophisticated data architecture that maps legal concepts in layers. This isn't a simple database. It's a dynamic, interconnected network that captures the relationships between laws, cases, and definitions across multiple dimensions. The system operates through a three-stage prompt architecture designed to mimic human legal analysis. First, it clarifies the task. What exactly is the legal question? For example, determining whether a contract meets validity standards. Next, it retrieves legal context, relevant statutes, case law, and definitions, ensuring the AI isn't working in a vacuum. Finally, it applies reasoning templates that mirror how lawyers structure arguments, providing a step-by-step framework for evaluating evidence and precedents. But the real innovation lies in the multidimensional knowledge graph, which functions as the system's cognitive backbone. This graph is organized into three critical layers. 1. Legal classification ontology, a hierarchical structure categorizing laws into domains like criminal law, property rights, or constitutional principles. 2. Legal representation layer, a semantic map of how laws are phrased, interpreted, and applied in different contexts. 3. Legal instances layer, a repository of specific cases, rulings, and factual scenarios linked to their broader legal implications. This architecture allows the system to perform semantic search rather than keyword matching. If a user asks about a breach of contract, the AI doesn't just look for the phrase breach of contract. Instead, it identifies related concepts like unilateral termination, remedies for non-performance, and contractual obligations, tracing their logical connections through the graph. It even accounts for jurisdiction-specific nuances and evolving legal terminology. What sets this approach apart is its adaptability. The system employs dynamic prompt optimization, refining its queries based on the AI's initial responses. If the model hesitates or provides incomplete information, the framework adjusts the prompt to probe deeper, ensuring precision. Plus, by integrating web search capabilities, it stays updated with real-time legal developments, bridging the gap between static databases and living legal knowledge. The results are striking. In benchmark tests, this system outperforms traditional models in complex cases, demonstrating a nuanced understanding of judicial reasoning. It doesn't replace lawyers but augments their work, enabling faster case analysis, more accurate precedent identification, and reduced cognitive load. So, what does this mean for the future of law? This research represents a shift from reactive legal tech to proactive, context-aware systems. By combining structured knowledge with adaptive reasoning, it paves the way for tools that don't just process data, but understand it, transforming how we approach justice, accessibility, and dispute resolution in an ever-evolving legal landscape. Thanks for watching. If you're as fascinated by this intersection of AI and law as I am, hit subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge research. And drop your thoughts in the comments. What legal challenges do you think AI could tackle next? Let's keep the conversation moving forward.